Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the alarm on your Casio A100. What we want to do is to press the mode button, which is going to be the one on the left bottom corner, once, and we are going to arrive at the alarm settings. As you can see here on the right side, we can see these lines that also appear on the home screen, and they signal the fact that the alarm is on. Now we are going to use the start button, so the one on the right bottom corner, in order to turn on the hourly beep, have both the alarm and the hourly beep on, and if I press it once again, both of the functions are going to be deactivated. In case you want your alarm to be on, you are going to press once, make sure that only the lines appear right here. That means that the alarm is on. Now the hourly beep is on. Both the alarm and the hourly beep are on, both are off. If you want to have your alarm off, in this position, press the mode button. You are going to arrive at your home screen, and as you can see, there is no symbol right here, so both the alarm and the hourly beep are now deactivated. In case you want to watch the full guide with how to set the time and date, how to set the alarm, also how to use the stopwatch, I will leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And if you found value from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot, and I will see you guys on the next one.